Hola clase. So today we are going to be learning about the personal a and que expressions, all right? These two are fairly easy grammar topics in Spanish. The personal a is used when we have a person as the object of the verb. This is just a fancy way to say that it's used when something or someone does something to another person, all right? So that the verb is acted on another person. Another way to think about it is when a person is acted on by the verb, like I just said. And then we also do include pets as well. Pets are included in us thinking about the personal a and when to use the personal a. You would put an a just before the person's name. And that, remember, last year we learned that a plus el equals al. Al in Spanish, all right? We can't say al, we have to say al. A couple examples. Marta llama a su amiga Eva. Marta is doing something to her friend Eva. She is calling her. So that's why we use this personal a. Los estudiantes escuchan al profesor. Los estudiantes escuchan al profesor. The students are doing something to their teacher. They are listening to the teacher. There are two exceptions in Spanish, all right? So we don't use the personal a after the verb I, which again means there is or there are, or usually the verb tener. So, for example, we have tengo dos hermanos, tengo muchos amigos. We do not use the personal a with that, all right? We do not use the personal a. Those are our two exceptions. So, te toca a ti. Is the personal a needed in these sentences? Sí or no? If sí, rewrite the sentences to include the personal a. All right, so pause the video at this time. You guys are going to go through and do these 6 examples and then play the video when you are ready to continue and see the answers. Here are your answers. So we have las chicas compran la ropa. We have to ask ourselves if la ropa is a person. Clothing is not a person, so therefore we don't need the personal a. Veo las personas. What is our verb? Veo is our verb. That is to see or to watch. So, do we see the people? Yes, we are seeing the people. We are acting. The people are being acted on by the verb. So, we say sí, veo a las personas. Vemos presidente. Do we need the personal a? Yes, we do. We are seeing the president. All right. Vemos al presidente. The president is being acted on by our verb ver. Los estudiantes estudian ciencias. No, we do not need the personal here because ciencias is not a person. Estudian ciencias, that we do not need the personal a. El hombre mira las chicas. We do need the personal a here because the girls are being acted on by the verb. So el hombre mira a las chicas. Francisco saca fotos de gatos. Do we need a personal a here? No, we do not, because the photos are the object. Photos are not a person, so therefore we do not need the personal a. Saca fotos de gatos. All right. Now we have que expressions as well in Spanish. Que expressions are very easy because they follow this simple formula. We have a que plus an adjective, or a que plus a noun. These always have exclamation points around them. All right. So this shows that you have a very strong feeling about something or someone. All right, so you have a strong feeling about something or someone. A couple examples we have, qué terrible, how terrible, qué terrible, qué viaje, what a trip, What a trip. Qué viaje. Qué lástima. Qué lástima. What a shame. What a shame. So, those are a couple K expressions that we have to express a strong feeling about something being completely terrible, an amazing trip maybe, and then something being a huge shame. So, oh, what a shame. So, qué lástima. All right, so those are our personal A and K expressions notes. Gracias, clase. Hasta mañana.